Hello everyone, welcome to Dikshant classes. Today I am going to discuss about the remaining parts of budget 2026. What is sovereign gold bond? Sovereign gold bonds are those bonds which is issued by government and in collaboration with the Reserve Bank of India, and it is started in 2019. It is a bond in which is issued for the period of 8 years, and the individuals and trusted and Hindu undivided family can exit from the bonds after 5 years, and there is a redemption period of after 5 years, and there is a tax if individuals can gain some interest on bonds in the form of gold, and there is no capital gain tax, so it is exempted. Then next, moving on, capital expenditure. Capital expenditures are those expenditures which are incurred for the long periods. Say you 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. Now moving on the total capital expenditures incurred by the government. In the financial year 2024, it is 9.5 lakh crore. In the financial year 2025, it is 10.5 lakh crore. In the financial year 2026, it is 11 lakh crore. In the financial year 2027, it is 12.2 lakh crore. If we add it, it makes grants in aids for the creation of capital assets, which is in the financial year 2024, it is 3 lakh crore. In the financial year 2025, it is 2.7 lakh crore. In the financial year 2026, it is 3.1 lakh crore. In the financial year 2027, it is 4.9 lakh crore. It gives rises to a total of effective capital expenditure. In the financial year 2024, it is 12.5 lakh crore. In the financial year 2025, it is 13.2 lakh crore. In the financial year 2026, it is 14 lakh crore. In the financial year 2027, it is 17.1 lakh crore. Now next, moving on to the infrastructure buildings. Capital expenditure budget in the year financial 2023, it is 7.4 lakh crore. In the financial year 2024, it is 9.5 lakh crore. Financial year 2025, it is 10.5 lakh crore. In financial year 2026, it is 11 lakh crore. Financial year 2027, it is 12.2 lakh crore. Now moving on, grant in aids for creation of capital assets. Financial year 23, 3.1 lakh crore. Financial year 2024, 3 lakh crore. Financial year 2025, it is 2.7 lakh crore. Financial year 2026, it is 3.1 lakh crore. Financial year 2027, it is 4.9 lakh crore. Now moving on to the allocation to the key insurance infrastructure sectors. In the financial year 2023, it is 2.1 lakh crore allocated to road and 1.6 lakh crore allocated to the railway capex. In the financial year 2024, it is 2.6 lakh crore to road capex and 2.4 lakh crore to the capex, railway capex. Financial year 2025, it is 2.9 lakh crore to the roads to capex and 2.5 lakh crore to the railway capex. In financial year 2026, it is 2.7 lakh crore to the road capex and 2.5 lakh crore to the railway capex. In the financial year 2027, it is 2.9 lakh crore to the road capex and in 2000 and 2.8 lakh crore to the railway capex. If we compare all the capital expenditures, see the trends, it is increasing day by it is increasing year by year. And if we compare the grants is decrease in the financial year 2025, then again increase in financial year 2026, and again increase in 2027. Then if we compare the capital expenditure budget, it is increasing every year. We compare the trends. Then if we compare the grants for creation of capital assets, it is decrease in the year financial year 24-25. Then again increase in financial year 2026. If we compare the allocation to the key infrastructure sectors, like road allocation is increases year by year. If we compare the railway capex is increasing the every year. Next is support for crop insurance intact. The allocation stands at 12,000 crore, 200 crore. Broadly in line with the last year is 12,267 crore. It is decreased about the 67 lakh crore. Then next is moving on to the interest cost rises. In the financial year 2023, it is 9.3 lakh crore. It is a 15.3% of change. In the financial year 2024, it is 10.6 lakh crore. It is a percentage of change is 14.6 lakh crore. In the financial year 2025, it is to 11.2% lakh 0.2 lakh crore. It is 4.9 percentage of change. In the financial year 2026, it is 12.7 lakh crore. It is a percentage of change is 14.2. And in the financial year 2027, it is 14 lakh crores. If we see the trends, it is increasing year by years, and percentage of change is also decreases. In the year financial year 24, 14.6, the financial year 25, 4.9, and then again increase 14.2 in the financial year 26, again decrease in financial year 2027. Thank you so much for listening carefully. If you any doubt, any queries, you can comment in the comment section. I will surely reply. And please like, subscribe, and share my channels with the friends and known ones. Thank you so much.